How often have you caught yourself slumping off to one side? And we all have one side that's a lot more comfortable than the other. How about if I told you you could turn this exercise or this movement into an exercise? So this can be a cause of a lot of hip pain for a lot of people, because what we're doing here is we're basically just grinding down on the top of this hip. We're dumping all of the weight from the upper body down into this hip. It'll also affect the knee and the ankle. So when we find ourselves slumping to our favorite side, left happens to be my favorite side, we can switch, explore what it feels like on the uncomfortable side, and then see where is the middle. Where's the middle ground between those two? Because we want to be standing nice and firmly on two legs. This is a rest position. The problem is that we get caught out and we stay there for too long, and we never really explore what it feels like on the other side. So that's why I like to switch sides and then find the middle. So a good way to work on that, to turn it into an exercise, is I've just got a yoga block here, but you could use a step in your house, or you could be using maybe a moon box. You're going to step up and find your position. This leg is going to be level as if there's a block. Now, have a little slump. Feel how your leg is coming down towards the floor here. Now see if you can use the muscles on the side of the hip to pick up. It's going to be tempting to hike this hip to achieve that. That's not what we're after. The scent we want is that these muscles here are going to be doing the work. So that is beautiful functional hip strength that we've got there. Now, if your balance is an issue, then I would suggest that you do it holding on to something. Yeah, so that you can make sure that you're getting the benefit of the exercise, and then later you can take the hand away and you can improve your balance at the same time.